Hello again YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I made this wagon about a month ago, and when I did, this happened.
But you trade for these two? For that one?
Yeah, this one.
So in this video, I take these two apart and start the first build.
This is for the raza. This is for the raza. Raza.
I made these wheel hangers. They're gonna sit at the back of the wagon.
Gotta clean off all this paint and then I can start welding this up.
Alright, so I got one side together and I got some wood just blocking it up to see how it's gonna sit. And the two sides welded up. Alright, so you've seen the back of the wagon now, as far as how I mounted the rear wheels, and I still am trying to figure out what I want to do for the steering assembly.
I narrowed the steering head and used this scroll to raise the height of the axle bolts.
Made this little bracket so that I can mount the axle.
The bracket gets welded to a caster on the underside of the steering head. I had to make modifications here so I wouldn't rub at full lock, and now my turning radius is a lot better. I reinforced the bracket, added steering stops, and reinforced the axle bolts. I added this rod to keep the spindle from buckling when I would load it. It had a tendency to camber the wheels way too much, so I added these. I want to preserve as much of the original paint as possible. Here I'm adding grease to the caster. I got this book light at the dollar store and ripped the guts out to make this.
so the last thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to extend the handle. So I cut it into 3 pieces. And I got these valve springs I'm going to use to extend it.
I added this flat bar to preserve the wagon deck when it scrapes. Turned out to be a pretty successful day at the swap meet. I got another Roadmaster and a radio flyer. Alright, we've come to the end of the video now. It looks like these wagon builds are going to end the same way with me picking up more wagons. I had a lot of fun building and accessorizing this wagon, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, I ask that you go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more build videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.